Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna test those kind of tire sealant because I got a slow leak on this car and I lost almost 20 pounds of pressure a week. So I will try this solution. I will give it a shot to see if it worth the money. This kind of stuff costs around 15 bucks in Canada. Instruction says that you have to get the valve on the upper of the wheel. So this is what I done, and you have to remove all the air inside of the tire. You want it completely flat. And by the way, this is not a screw on my tire. I already checked that. I leak air around the seal because those wheel was chrome before, and there's a lot of corrosion between the tire and the wheel. So I will try to fix that with this project. And now some product will come with this kind of tool, but this one doesn't. So you're gonna need this tool to remove this shredder valve inside of the valve core. So you just have to put the tool inside of the valve core and unscrew this little shredder valve. And now I'm gonna screw the bottle. I'm gonna throw 16 ounces of this product inside of the wheel. I put back this valve with the tool, just like this. And now we are ready to reinflate the tire. And now I'm gonna run my little compressor to 32 psi. So now I'm slightly over 30 psi, so I'm gonna check the pressure in 1 week to see where we are. And now you should run the car for at least 400 meters, but to be honest, I'm gonna roll a couple of kilometers at a normal speed to make sure the project walk around everywhere inside of the tire chamber. So we are a week later, and look at this, 30 psi. So I'm impressed with the project because this leak was very huge, and I'm really happy with the results. So, and I didn't have any shaking or nothing at high speed. So I will recommend you for a slow leak like this. This is really nice.